welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and today we are going to create another masterpiece using this glue gun and this molded clay. So let's get started with this video. So our goal for today is to make mulberry clay painting, and I am taking this Fevicryl molded clay and hardener and I am going to mix these two together. I have already painted my canvas with darkest shade of green. It is now dried up, so now I am going to use this glue gun to make branches. I am just going to randomly make branches on this canvas. You know, this glue from the glue gun is drying so quickly, and I am moving forward to take my acrylic paints on the palette. I am going to take all the shades that belongs to the green family as lemon yellow, parrot green, dark green, white, blue and sap green. And I am going to make all these paints dilute by adding some water in them and mixing this water using a knife. Now I am going to make random leaf impressions on the canvas which are not that perfect in this case. I don't know what's wrong with these mulberry plant leaves. These are not leaving their proper impression on the canvas, but it's okay. We just need impression. Now using clay, I am going to make mulberries and leaves. For making mulberries, I have made clay balls and then going to add texture using pen cover on these. You can use something else if you don't have this. You just need to add this kind of texture on the clay balls. For making leaves, I have to spread the clay on flat surface, so I am going to use iron scale for this. I am applying pressure on it to get thin smooth surface of clay. And after this, I am going to make leaf impression on the clay by applying some pressure on the leaf, and then I am going to cut it using cutter. Using same method, I am going to make a lot of leaves and a lot of mulberries using clay. So guys, today's tip for clay is that you need to make clay smoother by adding some water in it in the starting. As I forgot this, so my clay is now a bit dried up and it is making it more difficult for me to get desired shapes out of it, and I am struggling a lot, guys. So don't do same mistake which I made in this video. So mix some water in the clay in the starting. As I have made these mulberries and leaves, so now I am going to paste these on the canvas using Fevicol. I have applied a lot of Fevicol, and after pasting these, I am going to adjust the leaves and add few more details to the mulberries. Now I am going to paint green and yellow acrylic paints over the leaves and also going to paint mulberries using mix-up of blue and violet paint. Trust me guys, this process of painting is really satisfying. I am really enjoying it. Guys, let me take you a few seconds to request you to subscribe this channel because there are so many interesting videos which are in the row and coming in next few weeks. So I don't want you all to miss all those exciting videos. So you have to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to watch such amazing content. So I'll be waiting for your subscription on this channel, guys. So subscribe this channel now. After painting basic shades, I am going to add final touches to the mulberries using white acrylic paint to make them look more realistic. I am also painting some non-realistic mulberries in the background because there are some places which are left behind because I was not having more clay mulberries, so I am painting some fake mulberries in the background. So I am also painting white paint on the leaves to make them look more realistic. So guys, another tip for today is don't use poster colors with clay, because those are not going to stay for a long period of time. Try to use acrylic paints only when you are working with clay, because these will provide you a premium final outcome. And now I am going to add the final details to this painting. So guys, our painting is now ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, then press the like button and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. I'll keep bringing such amazing content for you guys, and I upload new videos every Friday. So to watch new videos from my side, you can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. You are amazing, and thank you so much for supporting my channel.